Microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce. Answer is option A, humus. Fungi like mucor, aspergillus and ergot are common contaminants of blank and blank. Answer is option C, bread and cereals. What is maloca? Answer is option B, a house type. Wells, canals, tanks and river lift systems are different methods of. Answer is option A, irrigation. A place which has experienced prolonged floods will cause blank of pupil. Answer is option C, displacement. Which of the following materials is not used for construction of a house? Answer is option D, scooter. Houses in water usually found in Dal Lake are known as blank. Answer is option C, donga. Who among the following developed the cholera vaccine in 1885? Answer is option A, Jaime Ferran. First time bacteria were observed by. Answer is option C, Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Zeroth law of thermodynamics mainly talks about the blank. Answer is option C, thermal equilibrium. The second law of thermodynamics may be written as usual symbols as. Answer is option C, dq is equal to TdS. Masala bonds are. Answer is option A, rupee denominated bonds. Who wrote Tarikhul Hind? Answer is option C, Al-Biruni. Which of the following was the first Sikh president of India? Answer is option D, Gyani Jail Singh. Which of the following states of India comes under the scope of the 6th schedule? Answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which of the following are called gilt-edged securities? Answer is option B, government securities. When is the World Press Freedom Day observed every year? Answer is option D, 3 May. Which of the following main types of iron ores are found in India? Answer is option C, both A and B, that are magnetite and hematite. Who elects the Vice President of India? Answer is option C, members of both houses of parliament. Tista river originates from. Answer is option D, Zemu Glacier. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? Answer is option C, Edward Jenner. Who among the following authors wrote The Living Mountain? Answer is option D, Amitabh Ghosh. Which Mughal ruler is known by the name of Rangila? Answer is option B, Muhammad Shah Rangila. Silver articles turn black when kept in the open for longer time due to the formation of blank. Answer is option D, Ag2S. The formula of quicklime is blank. Answer is option B, CaO. Which of the following is the weakest force? Answer is option D, gravitational force. Centripetal force is responsible to. Answer is option A, keep the body moving along the circular path. In a class 3 lever, the effort and load move. Answer is option B, in the same direction. Which is the brightest star in our night sky? Answer is option C, Sirius. What is chloroquine used to treat? Answer is option A, malaria. Who of the following was associated with the newspaper Al Hilal? Answer is option B, Abul Kalam Azad. Who founded the Pala Empire? Answer is option D, Gopala. The entrance gateway in the Dravidian style of temples is also known as. Answer is option C, Gopuram. The largest sweet water lake in Rajasthan is. Answer is option C, Jaisamand. National Sports Day is celebrated on blank of every year. Answer is option A, 29th August. Which of the following is the part of respiratory system and digestive system both? Answer is option B, pharynx. The Indus River enters India through blank. Answer is option D, Leh. The first industrial policy in India was announced in blank. Answer is option C, 1948. What is the minimum age required to become Vice President of India? Answer is option B, 35 years. Which of the following parts of the Indian Constitution contains the provision of emergency? Answer is option B, Part 18. Who imposed the Vernacular Press Act 1878 and who repealed it respectively? Answer is option A, Lord Lytton and Lord Ripon. Which of the following state of India does not have either coastline or international boundary? Answer is option C, Telangana. The Agra city was founded by which of the following ruler? Answer is option B, Sikandar Lodi. Study of blood is known as. Answer is option C, hematology. In which year did India officially join the Shanghai Cooperation Organization as a full-fledged member? Answer is option A, 2017. Heat required to increase 1 degree Celsius temperature of 1 kilogram water is. Answer is option B, 1000 calorie. Which of the following viceroy was associated with Ilbert Bill controversy? Answer is option B, Lord Ripon. As per length, which is the longest river in China? Answer is option A, Yangtze. Who was referred to as Sandrocotus in the writings of the Greeks? Answer is option D, Chandragupta Maurya. Which among the following elements has the highest density? Answer is option C, osmium.